from so because of mine no ye cassette ya but as a nim how e betimi asolve no bi a wa ye bi pensano say would you say on mine say I adwen say be kalam say no ye man ba from e dey na say brief na maton ko so
mine say ye be kalam say ba from say ye team friends yeah but we talk ye bo kalam say what you say ye two kalam say ba my tell you say we drew takwa bogoso Christia no crew mu say ye peni for no bia na sabi omo share chira ye kalam say
omo na ye omo dia
it's yen timamu for no peni for especially politicians they answer they say rebatano mimi sano mimi ni osano na rebatano yesu ya sano ni media ni but recently me ma mi ya me ko me ma ye galamsi o mu a but si a me ko che say ultimate no
time cry
what the new aduane ya na botomo because mercury the chigu e poison but mercury
let me so dey mwana mesa popo ahodi no ni hobiem na safe na usua esanwa kame tu fuse jainu ni ya aka emrebeti miasanejia
papa yo Papa yes Adia yan say one kasa why an enemy of your own destiny.
Why enemy to say one no.
Say why you near maybe a tia wo ho a.
Otamfo ne internal.
E one kasa.
Otamfo ne central.
Only o dey but what to be so go far.
One no make am.
Why ya dey why you just what to say you what cost so why ye niema decisions are what taking bad choices. What would you do? Would you dare? Would you hand time? I will brasier season gardening at the one fenya. Sikabi and the one sent Kawashre, Wakoshe. It's like, what would him say? On some or the Bamia, no me a superior on some. Oh, no, my own destiny.
Where your own bad role in your own life. Sompa Rhapsody energy no your power. See also.
Baba the man we keep me the say no fe na ye newspaper review na me say. Ade ba kwa prof kan. Me kromu say ya me drive kwa me dey adwuma. Say prof say. Say wo so bi di Jimmy ba. Wo so ni pa ni di fi an. Akoye wo bai. Odi Jimmy ma me fa nyansa. Ehyanti na me drive dem hu say akobi otimoto so. Wa hange ne to no. And why you say I did Jimmy Abbey. I'm packing the cane in ha. No one found a should be cocaine when him cry. On to me yet, who had whom you are this karma. I'm between all the papas, I would young son. Makulamu papa said, was that Obi out to say, Jimmy Pan or Deba? Jimmy or Deba? No, the answer. Now, dear, she are not
okay. And when you're okay,
back it there, or China, who are the same. I want to promise that to us. Papa na wubu. Eti dia wo ye wu, eti abrabo papa ni. Dia wo ye wu, eti abrabo papa ni. Mama masre. Me se me busa wo eti abrabo papa na wubu. Wo ji hu di sa wo bobra. Ah, wo so ya na wi di tua wanu nti we ya anjabrabo ni ni. Abrabo ni ni. Ufro baba Akosua na akoba ma so ufri ba Akosua na akoba ma so ufro ba we so na akoba we so ufri be ma we a chese wo de eti we ntia ya abrabo me se me de abrabo papa tene ne abrabo na bre wo me de asumdwe ne ye eti de wo ye ne ntia mo ne je eti we so sense na wo we no a na wanya hangover na wo ji hu ba bi nti woni je pa je wo asumdwe no no eti bo a wo mu ade no nti wo gidi se wona wo nyina wo nya depressed or high blood pressure ni zero there ene me ba wa brabo ene ma ba wo ba obrabe na wo bo no me se obrabe eti na mfofo na woni wo nam no eti se na wo pe no anti Akosua me den kam pesa me chimi ho eso de omo beka ye de wo kire di omo beka anti wo ti obra na wo bo no wo mmomma wo ho obama nkrofo. Oh, I see. Wow, I see. And I guess you can't pass me chimney. And so the omo beka nam so. Oh, I see. Anti obra na wo bo na wo sori a wo kwa wo ba no. Say nya wo na wo boma ho. Say nkrofo na aboma ho. Oh, I see. Eti ade a wonim se ebeboa wo no wutimi gya to ho efi se won pese nipa beka ho asem. Oh, I see. The enkrofo beka enu ntio ebasa bo se enkrofo etubo wa brabo ma omo e from enkrofo mbacho nkrofo no mo ye hemfo a mami hu a wo frɛ me a mami hu nkrofo no why sa nkrofo no mesrew mo enne mo mami hu nkrofo no de di kan e na society no mo mami hu a mesre mo a asasi we ho until you overcome the opinion of people, you are not ready for life. I'm telling you. Until you overcome. Kopim said the obi jene who be this one. We nyan shabrabo ase. Who bo brabo ama the obi jene. Who bo obra ama the obi jene. Hey, one can say the nyame mpo dwene na nka my excuse you. At least ka kan kire me say the me bon me dis so the nyame e die na nyame ba dwene afa me ho e ne ka bebo me nsem mama e bia nka wo ka say anti Akosua de we de nka pese me yo na enso nyame ani me dwene de nyame ba dwene afa me ho e ne kire say wo ye machio. But what was say enye de nyame dwene enye no a I don't want to do anything that will destroy my relationship with God. And I salute you. Nema wo say sadia we wunim say ye pa na de ntia wuntimi nyane say de nipa bi dwene nam say wo ye hwan fo sa nkrofo no mo ye hen fo a me ba cho emu de hin na tua wo bills ma wo mo na tua wo school fees na ma wo bo so me so emu de hin na tua wo ka yen kan say yen tia futuo it don't get my words twisted. Yet constructive criticism. We listen to constructive criticism. Obi wa wo pe wasam wo dan no atenetena ho. E be nyansa ni ba ko fo tirim. Eti yese wo betie nyansa fo. But the awon kasa no woye hwan. The awon kasa no woye hwan. E be so obi wo ha wo kasa, ba wo kasa from a place of envy. Kasa na wo kasa nya ye ni bre kasa. Eye jealousy kasa. Eye watan kasa. Eye nani na brewo. Eti nipa na wo kasa from angle ben. Eti we love constructive criticism. Eti we say nyansa ni ba ko 14